Slave auction posting and auction in progress. Deuteronomy 28 verses 32 and 41. Thy sons and thy daughters shall be given unto another people, and thine eyes shall look and fail with longing for them all the day long. And there shall be no might in thine hand. Thou shalt beget sons and daughters, but thou shalt not enjoy them, for they shall go into captivity. Why have we, as a whole, out of all people upon the planet, have been sold into slavery and scattered into every country and island? An answer from God below. Deuteronomy 28 verses 64 and 68. And the Lord shall scatter thee among all people, from one end of the earth even unto the other. And there thou shalt serve other gods, which neither thou nor thy fathers have known, even wood and stone. You will find some of us in every country, in places you wouldn't think of, or places you haven't heard of. Verse 68, and the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships, by the way whereof I spake unto thee. Thou shalt see it no more again, and there ye shall be sold unto your enemies, for bondmen and bondwomen, and no man shall buy you. Egypt was Israel's first captivity or slavery. So shall bring thee into Egypt again means take us into slavery again, but by ships. Also, no man shall buy you means no man shall buy you back from out of slavery. If all of Israel was sold and scattered amongst all people, we must ask these questions. Where are they located? How long will they be there? An answer from God. Deuteronomy 28 verse 25. The Lord shall cause thee to be smitten before thine enemies. Thou shalt go out one way against them, and flee 7 ways before them, and shalt be removed into all the kingdoms of the earth. The Lord said we shall be removed into all kingdoms of the earth, not migrate, but taken against our own will. Isaiah 11 verses 11 through 12. And it shall come to pass in that day that the Lord shall set his hand again the second time to recover the remnant of his people, which shall be left from Assyria, and from Egypt, and from Pathros, and from Cush, and from Elam, and from Shinar, and from Hamath, and from the islands of the sea. Note, Jesus at his second return will gather us from these black nations: Assyria, Egypt, Pathros, Cush, etc., whom we call Africans today, even from the islands of the sea. Verse 12, and he shall set up an ensign for the nations, and shall assemble the outcasts of Israel, and gather together the dispersed of Judah from the 4 corners of the earth.